the most common misconceptions scientists have about patents?
So they think that they can't really monetize on their patent. They also think that they can't further on monetize on their research. So they don't believe that there is any point in filing a patent. Sometimes they believe that the research itself is not patentable, that it is too fringe, that it is too theoretical, that there is not a company out there that is scientific fringe research. But as you can tell, there are so many startups that are dealing with research and development that is kind of touching upon the deep science sector, something that is really not tangible right now, but could be in the next 5 or 10 years.